So if yeah,
Okay, I hit the button, just checking whether it would work, and then I'll record. It is 17th of December, 2025. This is WIKISPEED Stand-Up, a little LRW project. Um, Go ahead, Lauren.
yeah, hi, it's Lawrence Salter, uh, an island in the Salish Sea. Uh, and this past week I had some dental issues, so I didn't do very much. I should be able to move ahead now. Um, and blocks are actually they've been removed, so I don't have significant blocks to report. Back to you.
So, Michael Wolchuk, Saskatoon, Canada. I have not gotten very much done this week. And I'm not expecting to get very much done for the rest of the year. Um, and the blocks are Christmas and weather and my part-time job that is all of a sudden demanding a fair bit of time. So anyway, there's not going to be a whole lot happening unless, well, it's possible, but it's not very likely. Anyway, back to you.
And so yeah, I'm gonna give myself a 5, the team an 8, and let's see, process improvement. I still would like to see a plan for 2026. Some reassessment, maybe refactoring or whatever. And that would be my process improvement.
Okay, I'm going to give myself a 2. I'll go with 8 for the team. Um, and I do not have a process improvement. That pretty
Okay.
much wraps up
Yeah. Yeah.
the
I
formal
don't have
portion.
any crosstalk online, but there is some
Okay, I
uh,
will hit
uh,
the button.
on the recording.